Hi there, it's Adam from KINCROME and I'm really keen to take you through the Tool Armour two-piece combo kit. This is the extra wide 59-inch trolley and hutch, absolutely stacked with tools, so let's go through and see what's included. To start with, I'll take you through some features about the Tool Trolley and hutch. Beginning with the super wide 59-inch or 1500mm workspace featuring industrial grade construction. The 11 drawers have heavy-duty ball bearing slides with a whopping 100 kilogram capacity. The soft close drawer feature prevents slamming and movement of the drawer contents. A stainless steel bench top and heavy-duty side trolley handles. The key locking system is fully programmable and the 4 heavy-duty suspension casters make the ride smooth and easy. Ethylene vinyl acetate trays, or EVA for short, are a feature of KINCROME toolkits and tool trolleys. EVA trays have been specifically designed and are custom made to protect and maintain your tools. This tool trolley contains 1,053 pieces, 11 packed EVA trays and a truckload of loose tools included. The 1500mm wide hutch perfectly complements the tool trolley and features a lockable door supported by heavy-duty gas struts. Inside the hutch, 2 LED lights built into an adjustable shelf light up a steel pegboard with a magnetic power board and USB. There's a lot to get through, let's get into it and start at the top of the tool trolley. Drawer number 1 is the feature of the workstation. This huge drawer contains 3 separate EVA trays. Let's start with the massive 99-piece metric and Imperial lock-on socket set with accessories. The huge EVA tray includes comprehensive premium socket sets for 3 of the most popular square drive socket sizes, these being 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch, each with lock-on reversible ratchet handles. The tray includes a number of socket accessories including extension bars, spark plug sockets, flex handles and socket adapters. The main feature about KINCROME lock-on sockets is that they are designed to undo fasteners that are rounded up to 85%. The second EVA tray is the comprehensive 64-piece lock-on deep sockets with square drive sizes of 1/4, 3/8 and 1/2 inch. The last EVA tray in drawer 1 is the 78-piece lock-on impact socket and accessories EVA tray. The 1/2 inch square drive sockets have standard and deep selections in both metric and Imperial, with socket sizes from 10mm through to 24mm in metric and from 3/8 to a full inch in Imperial. The tray also includes a selection of accessories including impact rated extension bars, socket adapters, universal joints and 4 super impact wheel sockets. Drawer number 2 is an EVA tray containing a 38-piece combination and jumbo spanner set. The selection is made up of 21 metric spanners ranging from 6mm through to 36mm and 17 Imperial spanners from 1/4 inch to 1.25 inch in a mirror polish finish. Drawer number 3 is the 27-piece reverse gear spanner EVA tray. The metric selection covers 14 sizes from 8mm through to 24mm and the Imperial selection covers 13 sizes from 1/4 inch through to a full inch. These spanners are great for working in tight to hard to access areas where a ratchet and socket will not fit. Drawer number 4 is the extra deep 35-piece premium plier and riveter EVA tray. This tray is stacked with tools. Pliers included are the combination, long nose, lock and grip, diagonal, circlip, multi-grip, along with the compact hand and nut riveters and a range of VDE pliers. Drawer number 5 contains the 22-piece striking and prying EVA tray, with a large assortment of hard and soft face hammers, punches, chisels and pry bars. Drawer number 6 is a deeper drawer with extra weight capacity for larger tool storage. Drawer number 7 is the fully inclusive 198-piece EVA tray containing a large Torquemaster and precision screwdriver selection. The tray also includes a full range of loose screwdriver bit sets and a selection of VDE screwdrivers. Drawer number 8 is the 140-piece hex and Torx key EVA tray. This set includes the long series with jumbo keys, socket sets and a selection of T-handles for hex and Torx. Drawer number 9 is the 22-piece cut, scrape, hook and saw EVA tray. Included is a selection of large mini pick and hook sets along with 5-piece file set and a range of cutting tools. Drawer number 10 is the last of the specialist EVA trays and contains a 20-piece selection of measuring and testing tools. Included is the 8-metre extended tape measure, the infrared thermometer and a selection of diagnostic tools including the digital multimeter and an onboard diagnostic scan tool. This kit also contains a selection of loose tools including the following key pieces: a 10-piece 4-in-1 index soldering kit, a 110-piece tap and die engineer set, a wire brush set and oil filter tools along with 2 PTA impact bit sets. Just some important safety tips to remember. They look great in the promo photos with all the drawers open, but this is unsafe for display and storage, as the trolley could become unstable. For safety and stability, ensure that no more than one drawer be open at the same time. Large toolkits like this one are very heavy, even when empty, and should be seen as a multi-person lift, and always engage the locking casters when stationary. This two-piece combo kit comes with free 12-month protection plan and is available under the KINCROME payment plan, with more information available on the KINCROME website. So there you have it, the Tool Armour Tool Trolley and Hutch, a truly world-class workshop solution. For more information, please see the KINCROME website.